Who shall ascend the mountain of the Lord? Who shall stand in his holy place? Lord, here I am before your throne. I lay me down, refine my soul, till all is left is you alone. Lord, I surrender. Do a work in me, purify my motive till you're all they see. Do a work in me, purify my motive till you're all they see. Yeah. Oh. Consume my heart and make it yours. Consume my heart and make it yours as I lay me down. Refine my soul till all is left is you alone. Lord, I surrender to work in me, purify my motive till you're they see. Come on, lift up that prayer all over this room. Do work in me, purify my motive till you're they see. Oh, do work in me, purify my motive till you're they see. Oh, do a work in me, purify my motive till you're they say. Now this is your space. Lift up that prayer from your heart. Lift up that prayer. Work on my heart, Jesus. I surrender all to you. I surrender my mind to you. Oh, have your way. Have your way. Whoa. Yeah. Say to a work in me. Whatever you want me new power. There is new freedom. Hey, your kingdom is here. Hey, to carry your new fire today. Where there is new one, where there is new one, there is new power. Yeah, there is new freedom. Your kingdom is here. I lay down my own flame to carry your new fire. I lay down my own flame to carry your new fire. I lay down my own flame to carry your new fire. Hey, to carry your new fire. To carry your new fire. To carry your fresh fire. To carry your new fire. Hey, to carry your new fire today. To carry your new fire. Just wanna carry your new fire. Make me a vessel. Make me an offering. Make me whatever you want me to be. Lord, I came here with nothing but all you have given me. Jesus, bring you out. Oh, make me a vessel. Make me an offering. Make me whatever. Come on, lift up your hands and sing it. I came here with nothing. Oh, Jesus, bring new wine. Say, Jesus, bring new wine. Oh, Jesus, bring new wine. Hey, Jesus, bring new wine. For where there is new wine, there is new power. There is new freedom. Your kingdom is here. I lay down my old flame to carry your new fire today. Where there is new wine, there is new power. There is new freedom. Your kingdom is here. Oh, I lay down my old flame to carry your new fire today.